Unhygienic. It means food that is prepared or stored in dirty conditions. For example, the street food looks unhygienic. Unhygienic food can cause illness. Crusty. Food that has become dry and hard on the outside. For example, the rice is crusty. Crusty bread is difficult to chew. Perished. It means food that is no longer safe to eat. For example, the milk has perished. Perished food should be thrown away. Decayed. It means food that has started to rot. For example, the fruit is decayed. Do not eat decayed vegetables. Putrid. It means food that is rotten and produces a very bad smell. For example, the eggs are putrid. Putrid food can make you sick. Now, can you make one sentence using perished or unhygienic? Please comment below. Contaminated. It means food that is unsafe because it contains harmful substances. For example, the water is contaminated. Contaminated food can cause illness. Slimy. It means food that feels wet and sticky. For example, the fish is slimy. Do not cook slimy meat. Greasy. It means food that contains too much oil or fat. For example, the fries are greasy. Greasy food feels heavy. Rancid. It means food that smells or tastes bad because the fat or oil is bad. For example, the butter is rancid. Rancid oil can make you sick. Stale. It means food that is no longer fresh and has lost its taste. For example, the bread is stale. Nobody likes stale food. Now, can you make one sentence using greasy or rancid? Let me know in the comment section. Rotten. It means food that has decayed and smells very bad. For example, the mango is rotten. Throw away the rotten fruit. Curdled. It means food, especially liquid food, that has separated into lumps. For example, the milk has curdled. Do not use curdled cream. Gritty. It means food that contains small hard particles like sand. For example, the sauce feels gritty. Gritty food is uncomfortable to eat. Expired. It means food that has passed its expiration date. For example, the milk is expired. Do not consume expired products. Gummy. It means food that is sticky and hard to chew. For example, the rice is gummy. Gummy pasta is unpleasant. Can you make one sentence using gritty or curdled? Please let me know in the comment section. Mushy. It means food that is too soft and not firm. For example, the tomatoes are mushy. Mushy apples do not taste fresh. Inedible. It means food that is not safe or not suitable to eat. For example, the soup is inedible. Adulterated. It means food mixed with cheap or harmful substances. For example, the milk is adulterated. Adulterated food is dangerous. Fermented. It means food changed by bacteria producing a strong smell or taste. For example, the juice has fermented. The rice smells fermented.